appliances break down, home systems fail, which means I show up at everyone's door because I'm inevitable.
First up, the Andersons, who mistakenly think home insurance covers inevitable breakdowns.
Unfortunately, something expensive is about to happen.
Is it the heat, plumbing, electrical, AC, ductwork, wiring, garage door, oven?
But we already have homeowners insurance.
Home insurance only covers disasters. First American covers your everyday wear and tear, and if they can't repair it, they'll replace it.
So give First American a call. They've been protecting homeowners like you for over 40 years.
Next, Wilmer and Dolores Reed. 30 years under one roof means their home systems and appliances are ready to quit, and the major repair expense is inevitable.
I'm on your team, Dolores. First American coverage kicks in within 30 days. Today it's the AC, but heating could be next.
He's right, Dolores.
First American is the plan to protect all your plans. So please, get yourself covered.
Get the laptop, Wilmy.
And finally, meet Sonia, who used to worry about costly breakdowns until she started saving with First American.
I gotta send this thing to Fridge Heaven, okay?
Go ahead. First American has had my back for years and saved me hundreds. Just one call, and they send a pre-screened, qualified contractor. No chasing quotes.
Every home system and appliance fails. There's absolutely no avoiding it. But when the day comes, First American has you covered.
Look at the value. Plans start at about $1 a day, with no limit on the number of claims and 24/7 customer service.
I'm always going to show up. Home breakdowns are inevitable, but the expense, that's optional.
Call 800-379-7143 now to protect your home against inevitable replacements and repairs. You could save thousands with comprehensive coverage from First American. Plans start from about $1 a day. So call 800-379-7143 or visit fahw.com.